Okay, here's part 2. And, so, I'll get started now. Just take 2 1x2s, stick them right back there. And my dog Tula is scampering around. And you can see her paws back there. That was funny. Okay, so you take a 1x6. Yep, 1x6. Put it right there. And then 1x4 right there. Yes, a 1x4. And then you take a 2x4. And then a 2x3. And my birds are making quite some noise over there. And it's like a zoo down here. And we got fish upstairs too. But that's making no noise. And Tula is gone. She went upstairs now. Okay. So now let's get back to this. Get a 2x4 and a 2x3. 2x4 goes right there, and a 2x3 goes right there. Okay, so now I'll just tell you the back. The pieces that go on the back are 3 2x4s all along. Or you can take 1 2x12. And just put them all along straight across the back. Okay, and then you take 2x4 and a 2x4. Awesome. Okay. I'm going to take a 2x2. This is my dog's favorite color. Okay, and then you take a 2x8. Put it right there. Okay. Now we're done with that layer, and now there's only 2 more layers, and then a thin layer. Okay. So I'm gonna start this now. So we get 2x3 and a 2x4. Put them right on the side. 2x3 first, and the 2x4 behind it. And I lost my spot. Okay. Goes like that. Okay. And then a 2x3 right behind it. So that's the side. Now the back, I'll just tell you. The back is just 3 2x3s again. Yeah. This is getting really hard now. And it just broke, and now it's like really hard to fix. Can't get it to fix. Hang on. Ugh. This is not good. Fell over. Okay, so then the back. Yeah. Okay. This is totally done. Ugh. Okay. The back now. 3 2x3s. I don't even know what I'm doing. This is so broken. And then a 2x4 right here. 2x2. 2x3 and a 2x2 go right here. Two 2x3s go right here. And then 1 2x4 goes right here. Piece broke off. It's totally broken. totally broke. I'll just start putting pieces where they need to go. So we take a 1x6, put it right here, just like that. Oh wait, no, we don't do that. Remove that 1x6, please. Okay. So you take a 2x4 and put it right there. And then a 2x4 and a 2x2. 2x2 goes right there. 2x4 goes right there. Then you take your gumball, put it in the hole that should be on the side right there. Okay. And birdie's making noise. Okay. And you take a 2x4, put it right here. They're annoying, aren't they? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm trying to get these pieces off. 2x4. Ow! Gotta pinch my finger in there. Okay, now 2x8. Right, no, don't do that. Put the 2x8 right there. Best spot for it. And I accidentally shook the gumball. 2x4 goes right there. Another, oh, to get that out of there. Okay, take a 2x4, put it right there, and then we'll take an awesome 2x2, put it right there. And we'll take a 2x4, put it right there, and then another 2x4, put it right there. 2x4, right there. 1x6, 1x6, right there. Okay. 2x4, and then a 2x4. And then we can, those birds are so loud. So sorry, guys. And then we take, base plates, whatever you have, just to fill up the top. Nope. Whoa. They're really loud, aren't they? I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, if you want to use the base plates I used, you can go ahead and count. Okay, you can pause the screen right now. Okay. So, now, I'll show you it work. Take 25 cents, put the coin slot, and you get a gumball. Coin retriever. Just have tilt, and it comes out. And please don't ask to show it. I just did. I'll show you one more time, like with reloading and stuff. Okay, so if you use the base plates I used, and you put them in the right spot, you push this one down, just like that, so it comes off. Perfect. And then we can grip this red one, and then I drop the gumball back there. Okay. And do not drop the gumball back there. Oh, it goes like this. Okay. So in that small hole right on the side there, you stick the gumball. Quarter. And knock the gumball out. Okay, so that was it. Thank you for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye.